Hi guys, Ernst from EDH Construction. Here we've got a blown up view of the contractor's gun. I'm just going to show you how to put it back together and so that you can know all the nooks and crannies of how to clean this. Firstly, we're going to take the head and we're going to take the needle, put it back. It's a fine thread, so make sure you don't cross thread it and thread it all the way down. There we go. And then we can just get it snug. Secondly, pull back on the lever when you put this in, otherwise you wear the nozzle and the needle. So pull the trigger back. You want to get the trigger guard on first. Screw that in. And this takes the 16 spanner. And then from the back, you have that little metal part goes into the back, as you can see there. Finger tight at first so you don't cross thread. And then a nice thing is you can actually take the sleeve out of the handle. Just goes in there. You use your Allen key, 1/8 or a 3.5mm Allen key. Like such. You get your filter housing in. Make sure you put it in the right way around. You can force it. It does stop itself, but you can force it in there. So take note of which way it goes in. Then you can screw that into the bottom. Lock it in place. Trigger guard into its position. And then we can assemble the tip again. You will notice on the tip here, you've got a square part on the front and there. You have to line that up and you will hear a click as it goes in. And then it's got a clicking way to get it in the right direction. So always make sure that your tip is in the right, facing the right way and doesn't accidentally sit off to the side and so forth. Never use tough pliers and stuff on this. This has been machined, so you can use your fingers to do this. If you get a bit of paint on there, you can use pump pliers, but be careful not to damage the aluminium, and never use the plastic bits to undo this, because you will break them and they are quite expensive to replace. And there you go, completely assembled. There's your safety, and you're ready to go. Hi guys, this is bluemax hose from Graco. It's a reinforced hose and it can handle pressures of up to 227 bars. This pipe has been designed to minimize fan pulsation. When your pump is in strokes, it basically pressurizes and stops, and it resonates through to your gun, and this actually reduces that. So it would also help with hand fatigue, so it makes your whole experience just that much better.